This video will demonstrate how to use ElevenLabs AI Voice for free text-to-speech. Text-to-speech has been a standard feature in modern web browsers for some time, but they tend to be rather robotic and monotonous, becoming quite hard on the ears over time. That is where AI voice generators like the industry-leading tools on ElevenLabs' content platform, Eleven Creative, come into play. They make it possible to create everything from short-form voiceovers to long-form podcasts, and even YouTube narration. Eleven Creative also offers a wide array of other generative AI tools, including AI sound effect generation, stunning AI image and video creation, voice isolation and voice-changing tools, and even music generation, with or without vocals. Musicians have created some truly impressive tracks using ElevenLabs' software, so if that interests you, I highly recommend exploring that feature. There are more tools besides. ElevenLabs is constantly adding to this platform. However, this video will focus primarily on using ElevenLabs AI voice and text-to-speech for free. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we shall get right into how you can use these tools absolutely for free. All you need to do is visit ElevenLabs' website and sign up. I would certainly appreciate it if you use my affiliate link, which you'll find in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Once you're on the ElevenLabs website, you simply need to sign up for a free account. This is the Eleven Creative pricing page. We don't need to use 11 agents or 11 API, which are also very powerful tools, but they're not necessary for content creation. You can use all of the tools in Eleven Creative for free with 10,000 free credits every month. It's not a one-time free trial. You receive 10,000 credits every month, and you can use them to test out all of the tools. The only caveat is, you can't use anything you create on the free tier for business purposes. As you can see, to obtain a commercial license for the content you create, you must be on the starter plan or higher. So, if you're just undertaking a small personal project, or having a bit of fun with some friends, or you want to test the tools out to see if they're right for your business, there's nothing wrong with starting on the free tier, and you can remain on that free tier as long as you wish. However, if you require more credits and want to be able to use a commercial license straight away, I recommend starting on the Creator Plan, as they have a special 50% off for the first month of the Creator Plan. By the way, that's the plan I use. If you start on the Creator Plan, you receive 121,000 credits for the first month for just $11. Should you find you use all those credits, you can remain on that plan and it will rebill at $22 a month. Or, before the end of your first month, you can switch down to the $6 a month starter plan, and you'll get to keep all of your leftover credits, as credits roll over month to month on ElevenLabs. Here in my account, you can see I have just under 150,000 credits right now, because I've been on the Creator Plan for several months, and I don't usually use up all of my credits. As a result, I now have a surplus. Those will keep rolling over, as long as I maintain my account. Please remember to use my affiliate link, which you can find in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, to sign up for a free ElevenLabs account. Now, let's look at exactly how to use ElevenLabs AI voice creation and text-to-speech. Let's create a new AI voice from scratch together. I'm in the Voices tab of the Eleven Creative platform. Whilst I'm on this page, I can use this big white Create Voice button. However, anytime I'm on any page in Eleven Creative, I can also use this convenient plus button right here. There are several options for creating an AI voice. You can design a voice based on a text prompt, which is what we're going to look at today. You can do an instant voice clone, which is very simple. All you need to do is upload a 10-second audio clip of your voice. You can do a higher quality professional voice clone, which requires 30 minutes of high-quality audio. It appears I can only create one of those on my Creator tier account, although I've not done that yet. They also have a feature called voice remixing, which involves using prompts to blend them together or change them. Let's keep it simple for today and do a voice design from a text prompt. It's provided a number of sample prompts here. The first one is for an evil ogre, then a little mouse, a southern woman, a movie trailer voice. You can click on the Best Practices button to open their documentation, which has detailed instructions about prompting for voice design. An easy way to turn an existing prompt into a completely different one is just to modify the existing elements of the prompt. I would like to create a voice that sounds like a 1930s American radio broadcaster with that famous, slightly tinny, rapid-fire talking style, and that's what I've done here. I've replaced the entire original prompt. But this prompt is similar in length and in the types of description it uses. I came up with fast-paced 1920s American broadcaster, rapid-fire delivery with crisp enunciation, tinny as if delivered over 1920s radio waves. We can look at a few settings before generating the voice. I think I'll boost the guidance scale to just over 50. And then I'll click on Generate Voice. You can see here this will use 350 credits to create the voice. It created 3 different versions of the voice, so I can listen to each of these, and then select the one I prefer.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, broadcasting live. We've got a truly sensational night lined up for you. The latest news, the hottest jazz. You won't want to miss a single beat. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, broadcasting live. We've got a truly sensational night lined up for you. The latest news, the hottest jazz. You won't. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, broadcasting live. We've got a truly sensational night lined up for you. The latest news, the hottest jazz. You won't want to miss a single beat.
Voice 2 is my preference, but all 3 of them are excellent. So, I'll select this voice, give it a name, select a language, and click Save. Now that the voice is created, we can go to the Text-to-Speech tool. I've already loaded in a short comedic script that I thought would be interesting with this voice. There are several different models that you can use to generate your audio. The standard is currently 11 Multilingual V2. But if we click on this, we can choose version 3, which they say is the most expressive but requires more prompt engineering and fine-tuning. Thus, it's not as good for beginners, or if you simply want to create something quickly. We have version 2, which is the main one, and version 2.5, or Flash, which is 50% cheaper. If you want to generate a lot of text and you're on a budget, then this may be a good option. We'll just use the standard version 2. We can adapt speed, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration here. But first, I just want to see what it does with this. Again, down here, I can see my current credit balance, which is just under 150,000, and I can generate up to 5,000 characters at a time. A character is every letter, space, or piece of punctuation. ElevenLabs, on the main version 2 model, charges 1 credit per character, so I can generate an awful lot of this. Let's go ahead and see how it fares.
Our top story tonight, male Lonely Stands creators deserve to be paid more, profit or not. The Association of Male Lonely Stands Creators announced yesterday that they will opt out of their current collective bargaining agreement with the content sharing app in question.
And that's essentially the ElevenLabs AI voice and text-to-speech tutorial. That's how you can do it for free, or how you can use it on a paid plan. Just remember to sign up using my affiliate link, if you'd be so kind. Let me know if you want me to do a full video on creating lip-sync videos in the future. It's quite important to get the right audio and the right avatar for that. So it's something I'd need to focus on specifically for a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.